What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new profile in Google Chrome. So go ahead and open Google Chrome, and if you're in Google Chrome and you realize that you already have a profile but you want to add a second one, click the profile in the upper right hand side and you will see add Chrome profile. Click on that. Now you want to go ahead and click on sign in, enter the email address that you want, click on next, enter the password, then click on next. From here, you can choose if you want to include your bookmarks and so forth. It's really up to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to say no. And I'm going to choose Google as my default search engine and click on set as default. Here you can click on got it. And that's it. So the profile is now added. So if you close out of Chrome next time and you try to open it, you will now have the option to choose from multiple profiles. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.